bridges were successfully delivered. We're welding the units together now, assembling them here, ready for lifting. The welding of the bridge involves welding and grinding. The bridge is welded together because you can't bring this bridge in one big unit. So it's come in 2 units that are then welded together on site. It takes about 3 weeks to get it ready for shot blasting. The process takes 3 weeks because of the rigorous quality, and there's lots of testing involved to make sure that it is complete. There's no problems with the weld whatsoever. Everything's on track. We're all excited to get the bridge into place. It's a big milestone on the project. The whole of Stockport's looking forward to it.